Hey Basant family, welcome back to Basant Kitchen. Today we're doing a really cool recipe. We are making fish tacos. I'm going to show you how to fry it, and then I'm going to show you how to make PICO-DE-GALLO. We have all different sauces, we have corn tortillas. It's a cool recipe, it's simple, but it's everything summer is all about. So stay tuned, you're going to love the recipe, Basant style. Let's go over the ingredients really quick. We have chopped and washed cilantro, Roma tomatoes, white onions, avocados, chopped lettuce, lemon and lime. We have white flour. This recipe I'm using fillet of sole. It's white fish. I've cut it into long strips, so when we dredge it, it's easy to fry. We have Cajun seasoning. I'm gonna put the recipe for it in the description. Salt, pepper, and the most important ingredient in this is the tortillas. I like to use corn tortillas instead of using flour tortillas, and I like to grill them on open fire. I'm gonna show you, it's a simple trick but makes a whole lot of difference. So let's get started, guys. We're gonna season the fish really quick, about 3 tablespoons of regular oil. I'm gonna take 1 lemon, cut it in half, or half a lemon, squeeze it in. Kind of taste, season the fish. Seeds out. About 2 teaspoons of Cajun seasoning, just to give it a little bite. That's all. Because you're gonna dredge the flour, it's gonna have its own sauces, but this little step makes a huge difference. In the tray, we're gonna prepare the flour for dredging. About 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon pepper, and about a teaspoon of Cajun seasoning. Mix it all in. Now we're gonna dredge. We're gonna take a 2-hand approach. 1 hand for the fish, the other hand to dredge. You take 3 pieces out. Make sure it's coated nice. Very simple, nothing big with it, and you see when it gets fried, it's gonna taste amazing. We're gonna add the fish. I like to just drop it in. Fry it at 375 or 350. It doesn't take long for it to get done. As soon as it floats up, the fish is ready. I'm gonna check on the fish really quick. Wow, the breading is gorgeous. The fish is almost ready. I like to make it well done. The trick with this is not to overcrowd your fryer. You leave it 3 pieces, 4 pieces at a time, so the temperature of the oil doesn't drop and the fish gets nice and well done at the same time. The fish is done. This is exactly the color I go for. Wow. Yeah, I can just tell it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna leave the fish on the wax paper to rest, so we finish the rest of it. So while the fish is frying, we're gonna start fry roasting the tortillas. You just put them on in the middle. Make sure you use the proper kitchen utensil for this. I have a really high tolerance for heat, so I don't want you guys to burn yourself. Let them cook. As soon as you see bubbles coming on top, you just turn them over. Look how pretty they look. Take a large piece of paper towel, I roast them and I put them right under there. Just flip it. That is a perfect tortilla. We have the fish ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a quick PICO-DE-GALLO. All it is cored tomatoes, white onions, cilantro, salt, pepper, and lemon juice. So you take the tops off, and what you do is you core them. I've showed in my earlier videos, knife side to side, and just slide it out and take the middle part. I'll take all the guts out, because you don't need extra liquids in there. You just need the tomato skin. Put them in thin strips, and then we're gonna cube them. Look how easy it is without all the juice from the insides of the tomato. Set everything up in like a straight line. Pick up focal point and just doesn't have to be perfect. I like it where it has a rough chop kind of feel to it. But about this size cubes. Make sure you don't cut your fingers. It's very important. Just drop the knife. That's it. So this is the size you want. See how perfect they are? The same thing with the onions, just a little rough chop. So they have to be perfect, just that should do the trick. Put about a quarter bunch cilantro in it. We're gonna do 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper and half a lemon. Put my hand there so none of the seeds go in it. And now we just mix it. Oh my god, it's so fresh and it makes a whole difference. PICO-DE-GALLO made. We're gonna cube some avocados. Now, nice and fresh. So to core them, take a spoon and you just slide underneath them very gently, wiggle it out, and voila! You don't waste anything. Very thin slivers so we can put them in our tacos. Just fan it out so it's easy for you to pick it up. Very thin slivers, slap the knife in. Guys, everything is ready. The fish is done, PICO-DE-GALLO is done, avocado is cut, tortillas are roasted. Now it's to my favorite part. We're gonna plate. I'm gonna show you some really neat tricks. It's gonna look hot, it's gonna look appetizing, it's definitely gonna look Basan style. Take a regular twine, take about a foot long piece and cut it because it's gonna help in plating. I'm gonna show you, it's a really neat trick. Start off with putting the twine down. We're making 10 tacos, so we're gonna do 5 pieces. All makes sense in a few seconds. All right, so twine step. So I changed direction for the twine just to make room. I'm using 2 tortillas per taco. Down some lettuce, not a lot, because we have PICO-DE-GALLO too. Now we little fish. And put down the PICO-DE-GALLO. Put some avocado rings in each taco. If you guys were wondering what I did with the twine, I'm going to show you a really neat trick. I learned it from a line cook. He is awesome. So you just put them together, take the twine from side to side, and how hot is that? Somebody served my tacos like this. I didn't want to eat them, I would just look at them and check this out. Basan style. Okay. just as much as I love cooking. Okay, so place the lemon and lime. After that, we place the sauces. Get some tartar sauce. So, chipotle aioli. Last one, hot sauce. Can't have tacos without hot sauce. And now for my favorite garnish. I love parsley because it just breaks everything down, separates all the other ingredients in their own way. And this is it, guys. Wow, they look amazing, and the plating on point. So there, guys, the tacos are ready. The fish is done perfectly. The colors, the PICO-DE-GALLO, the smells, avocado, it is so fresh, clean. Everything summer is all about. And talk about my plating, this is as awesome as it gets. I would eat these tacos just because they came this way. Guys, this is the coolest recipe. It was fun making it. It is fun to duplicate it. I hope you guys enjoyed it because I had a great time making it. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share. And we'll see you guys next time, Basant style. And for my favorite part, you're gonna take it for the spin. So, cut it. How hard is that? Take the taco. I like lime, so lime on it. Wow. It is amazing. Fish is perfect. The sauce is PICO-DE-GALLO. It is fresh. It's crunchy. It is Basant style. These are my tacos. I hope you guys get a chance to eat them because I'm loving it. I want to go back in.